Coinbase and Blackrock have modified this into a Shiba Inu coin. They are planning something big with the Shib in a big move. Coinbase, one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges and the first to be listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, has announced a partnership with asset management giant Blackrock. Today, we're going to talk all about the Coinbase and Blackrock partnership and why it will be great for Shiba and the new coin. So watch this video till the end because today's video is going to be annoying. Welcome to Crypto Insider, your daily dose of gray matter. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all Shib news predictions and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what Shiba price does on September 31st, right? Shiba Inu price does not appear to be close to ending this year's long downtrend. Although the second largest cryptocurrency rebounded from the support at 7,150 cents in June, its uptrend was rejected at 1,801 cents in mid-August. Since then, the price action has been confined in the descending channel, with limited upward bounces. At the time of writing, stock prices are trading at 1,101 cents, amid increasing downside risk that could lead to a drop below 1,000 cents. The upper boundary of the descending channel is capping the upside of Shiba Inu price in conjunction with the 100-day SMA. The blue move north of the support provided by the bottom boundary of the channel at 1,000 cents may be less impactful given the lower volume seen from the settlement in the revision of the equilibrium volume. Similarly, the DMI has no bullish or bearish bias. In other words, investors haven't decided which direction the Shiba Inu price will take in the short term. Now let's get back to the topic of Blackrock's institutional clients on its Aladdin platform. We're an end-to-end investment management tool with exposure to assets on Coinbase will be able to manage their portfolios, specifically Bitcoin, to start on the same platform. In simple terms, Coinbase will provide institutional investors with access to cryptocurrencies through Blackrock's investment management tool. The exchange's institutional investment arm, Coinbase Prime, will be key to this mechanism. More specifically, Coinbase Prime will provide services such as cryptocurrency trading, custody, prime brokerage, and reporting capabilities to clients. On Aladdin, the partnership is huge for the cryptocurrency economy in the sense that Blackrock, the world's largest asset manager with more than $9 trillion on its books, is paving the way for institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies and has decided to provide its client base with new access points to experience the world of decentralized finance. As a result, Coinbase shares, which had been struggling up 77% in 2022 for weeks prior to this announcement, jumped 30% and have been holding up ever since. While the initiative was largely welcomed by the crypto community, it certainly raised some eyebrows because Coinbase is mired in regulatory woes and is facing an investigation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) for allegedly allowing its American customers to trade tokens that should have been registered as securities. It remains to be seen if Blackrock's influence with the U.S. Federal Reserve and other key agencies will help Coinbase extricate itself from its legal quagmire. After all, Blackrock was called out by the Federal Reserve for its experience during the two worst crises of this millennium: the 2008 recession and the 2020 coronavirus pandemic. In 2008, Blackrock was asked to manage toxic assets acquired from failing financial institutions like AIG and Bear Stearns and Freddie Mac, etc. And in 2020, the company was chosen by the Federal Reserve to buy billions of dollars in debt from major companies affected by the pandemic while also managing government relief expenditures. Blackrock's interest in cryptocurrencies, or as they call them, digital assets, is not new. Earlier this year, the company participated as an investor in a seed round that raised $400 million for Circle Internet Financial, the parent company responsible for the second largest stablecoin USD. It has also been reported that Blackrock, like several other leading financial institutions, is studying the utility of cryptocurrencies in terms of tokenizing assets and permission blockchains, stable currency reserve management, etc. Blackrock CEO Larry Fink told the company's investors that a robust digital money mechanism can reduce cross-border payment costs, streamline settlements, and prevent money laundering. As far-fetched as it may seem at the moment, BlackRock's political clout and stake in lobbying the EU Congress could help introduce sensible regulations that give greater credibility to the crypto market in the world's largest economy. It is likely that many other regions will follow suit as the institutional flow of money drives development and leads to greater growth, your benefit to the masses. Now let's talk about Shiba Inu. More than 5.3 billion ships have been burning since July. Data from the ship burning Twitter account indicates that more than 5.3 billion ships have been burned in various transactions since July. Over the past 24 hours, the burn ship tracker has reported that more than 135,418,982 ship tokens have been burned and 21 transactions have been executed. Meanwhile, in the past days, Shiba Inu has estimated the total amount of ship burned at 613,214,213 tokens it is reported. Today, the ship burning initiative highlighted that a whopping 4,762,745,494 ship tokens have been sent to dead wallets, with 505 transactions. Cumulatively, this puts the total amount of burning since the beginning of July above 5.3 billion. That number may be slightly higher currently, as Burn Tracker recently reported a transaction that holds millions of ships to be burned soon after the 24-hour ship burn volume is reported. Individual transactions of 3,685,740 SHIB and also 500,000 tokens transferred to dead wallets were also indicated by the Burn Tracker. Burning refers to permanently removing tokens from circulation by moving them to burning addresses or dead wallets. Scarcity from burning is believed to have a positive effect on prices, although it is not always guaranteed. Shiba Inu closed the month of July with a gain of 13.4%, the most since February 2022. In a way, it can be said that Shiba Inu burns had little effect, as there is still a lot of ground to cover. Although 5.3 billion SHIB sounds like a huge amount, it only indicates about $64,000 in SHIB burned, as reported today. Lead Shiba Inu developer Hitoshi Kusama presents one of the ostensible requirements for the massive Shiba Inu burn to be a true community effort. He says the project is working on several levels. He says this could take some time, while hoping the timing was just right. However, due to current macroeconomic concerns, the price movement of the cryptocurrency markets remains purely speculative at the time of publication. The Shiba Inu showed an increase of 4.35% over the past 24 hours while it was trading at $120.04. That's it for today. We would also like to mention that this is not a channel specifically dedicated to providing financial advice, and we are not asking you to invest in any company. This is just a channel geared towards bringing educational content to your doorstep. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend that you do a thorough, extensive research on the subject. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below. If you are a contributor, be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time in Shiba Inu Coin. Goodbye.